Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Podio. Podio is a project management and collaboration software. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can help you to get more organized and productive. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how much is Podio monthly? I'll also cover some of the key features of Podio, and I'll share my thoughts on whether or not Podio is a good value for the money. What is Podio? Podio is a project management and collaboration software. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can help you to get more organized and productive. Podio has a number of features that make it a powerful tool, including tasks. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Projects. You can create projects, add tasks to them, and set deadlines. Discussions. You can create discussions to communicate with your team members about projects and tasks. Files. You can store and share files with your team members. Workspaces. You can create workspaces to organize your projects and tasks. Workflows. You can create workflows to automate tasks and processes. Reporting. You can generate reports to track the progress of your projects and tasks. How much is Podio monthly? Podio has a variety of pricing plans to choose from. The most basic plan is the Essential plan, which costs $15 per user per month. The other plans are the Team plan, which costs $25 per user per month, and the Premium plan, which costs $45 per user per month. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Podio also offers a number of add-ons that you can purchase. These add-ons include Podio Flow. This add-on allows you to create workflows to automate tasks and processes. Podio Forms. This add-on allows you to create forms to collect data from your team members or customers. Podio Surveys. This add-on allows you to create surveys to collect feedback from your team members or customers. Is Podio a good value for the money? I think that Podio is a good value for the money, especially if you're a small or mid-sized business. Podio is a powerful tool that can help you to get more organized and productive. It's also very affordable, especially when compared to other project management and collaboration software. Of course, the best way to decide if Podio is right for you is to try it out for free. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial of Podio today. In this video, I've answered the question, how much is Podio monthly? I've also covered some of the key features of Podio, and I've shared my thoughts on whether or not Podio is a good value for the money. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.